Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations coming at you from the no bra zone. And we're doing, my man Rick and I are doing a little DIY project. We've got these really cool, super big, different size, different shape wooden spoons. And some of them are this big, some of them are this big, some of them are this big. And I wanted a really cool plaque to hang on the wall to attach them to. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to do like a practice board to determine if the colors are right for the space that we're putting it in our living room. Now, I'm a very neutral girl when it comes to the interior of my house. And once I get this up on the wall, I'll certainly send you a couple of shots of it. And it's going next to this like 3-foot by 4-foot painting. But I had this big void and I needed something, but I didn't want another piece of art to take away from the art that's already there. So we kind of came up with this, and it's kind of twofold. This is actually going to be the back of the wooden piece, which you see here. This actually sits on front, but this is a little damp, so I didn't want to lay this on top of it. And then Rick's going to drill some holes, put some wooden dowels in there for us to hang the spoons on that have little holes at the top of each spoon. So that's what we're doing today. Let me get this out of the way. Don't want to mess her up. And then that is our practice board. Now, I found this has been sanded and smoothed, and it's like a baby's butt. I found this cool paint today when I was going to get some Floetrol from Home Depot. It's by Rust-Oleum. It's Metallic Accents. And I thought, ooh, let's play with this. It's a super duper really nice color. Let me show it to you. It's got a gorgeous sheen to it. It's kind of silvery, taupey. It's just beautiful, and it's definitely my jam. These are the colors in my house. I'm a very grayish kind of tan girl. So this is what our background is going to be, and then I'm going to share with you the colors that I've got mixed, and then I'm going to get quiet and kind of do my thing. Let's let you guys listen to some good tunes, and then like always at the end of the video I'll come in, show you the finished piece, show you a picture of all the colors I've used and all the names, so that you have everything that you need in case you want to do something similar. So our colors today are Decoart Rich Expresso, and this is a beautiful, beautiful shade of brown with a really nice sheen. We've also got going on Decoart Antique Bronze. We have Decoart Champagne Gold, and what I did is I added a little bit of the Croma Dorado Gold to it. So these two are mixed together. We've got Decoart Metallic White Pearl, and for good luck I always paint with my golden iridescent pearl, so I added a little bit of this to the Decoart White Pearl, kind of for good luck. We also have a Decoart, and I don't know how the heck to say this, guys. I'm going to spell it Obsidian, which is also a metallic paint, and I lightened it up a little bit with my golden iridescent silver. So just a drop or two of this in this color. We also have our our golden burnt umber as one of our colors as well. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my canvas with this Rust-Oleum metallic accents, which is such a cool color. I hope this works out well. Fingers crossed, guys, on this one. And we're going to go ahead and get painting.